Okay, so I dressed up as Jabba the Hutt, that fat, blubbery guy from Star Wars, and it turned out, well, nobody hit on me, not one girl.
What's up, my fellow nerds?
What's this?
Today I'll be
Who's
reviewing
this?
a toy.
Fellow nerds?
Fine, but...
We're not freaking nerds who turned this video on. But yeah, my manager, well, turn this off.
As an early birthday present, it's the 31-inch.
Yeah, the 31-inch Batman. Sounds nasty. But it happens, people. Anyways, so she interrupted me in the middle of doing a video. My manager was an asshole to me today. It told me I couldn't go on lunch. I couldn't take my lunch break. So I fucking beats his fucking head in! No one does that to elves. You don't tell elves when they go on lunch and when they can't go on lunch. Fucking bullshit in that fucking country. He's working for the government, I know it. Oh, by the way, give a shout out to Jabba the Hutt. We're making a new channel, by the way. Action Figure Chaos. I'm the star. I'm the main star. You know it. You know it. Loving it. Loving it. It's the way I am. The way I am. Thank you. Thank you very much, my friends.